So what's up YouTube, how you all doing? It's your boy once again, Doctor, and welcome to our channel, the Forex Trader 001. Now we are here again to give you the best analysis for the week as of today, which is 23 of November 2024. So our previous analysis played out pretty well with the Forex market. If you could go back to our previous video, you could see our prediction and it's all went straight to our target. So let's kickstart everything with DXY. I would love to start with DXY this time. So on DXY, we are kind of pretty bullish right now. So starting from the weekly time frame, we are very much bullish, and then going to the 4-inch time frame. So on DXY, actually, I'm still very much bullish on DXY. So what will I be expecting on DXY? Honestly, this week is I think this coming week will be something that the analysis will be kind of straight. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame. So what I'm expecting right here, I think we should go down to the lower time frame. What I'm expecting right here, if DXY wants to continue to be bullish, I'm expecting to see a break and a retest on a level of 108.036. Then I would love to pick my entry right there. I'll be waiting for some sort of break and retest, and a retest, and I target my 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. So my target is 1 to 3 actually, but sometimes if I see the momentum candle, I might still exceed my to extend my TP. So that's for the bullish scenario if it wants to continue going to the upside. But for the bearish scenario is to see the market coming down here, pull back, and then target my usual 1 to 3 as well. So what I'll be expecting is a break and retest to 106.910. So I'll be expecting a break and retest for a bearish scenario, and I'll be loving to pick out my short trade right there, target my 1 to 3 as usual, my 1 to 3, and if it is to be bullish, I target my 1 to 3 as well. But in between this, I won't be picking any trade. If the market doesn't break this 2 level, I won't really be picking any trade. You can see USD hasn't been great. It was a whole consolidation phase. So for the bullish and bearish scenario, you can see my my lines. So expecting a break and retest to the upside or to the downside. Then I'll pick a trade. So let's go from there to USD-JPY. USD-JPY for last week has been ranging quite and not good. It's actually not good, but we actually picked an entry. I saw this and I entered here, and then I think something happened, and I think I actually didn't wait because the market wasn't really cool, because I wasn't really okay with the direction of the trade. So because it was just a whole consolidation phase. For the bullish scenario, I would love to see USD-JPY pull back here, and then I look for a buying opportunity. I would love to see USD-JPY pull back, break and retest 155.026 for a bullish scenario. And for the bearish scenario, I would love USD-JPY to break below here, pull back, and short and target my usual 1 to 3. So I would love to see a break and retest on 153.974. And here this black line will be, and here will be our first TP. And this one also will be our first, because anything can happen on these levels. So expecting a break and a retest for both bullish and bearish scenarios. And let's go down to AUD-USD. On AUD-USD, same thing applies. Expecting a break. If we are going to be bullish on AUD-USD, I'm expecting a break to 0.6 25th-29Nov2024, a break and a retest to that. And then if for the bearish scenario, I'm expecting a break here, pull back, and then we drop. So I'm expecting a break and retest for the bearish scenario 0.64712. For the bullish scenario, expecting a break and retest on the level 0.65215. So on USD same thing actually applied. Expecting a break. If we are going to continue bearish on GU, I'm expecting a break, a retest, and then a short. So for the bearish scenario on GU, I'm expecting a break on 1.24875. And for the bullish scenario, I'm expecting GU to break above here, pull back, and then I look for some buying opportunity on the level of 1.25895 for the bullish scenario, and I target my usual 1, 2, 3. So wait for a break and retest, as you all know. So GU, EU. So on EU, same thing applies. If we are going to continue bearish on EU, which I hope we get, a break here, pull back, and then we short. To continue the bearish scenario on EU, I'm expecting a break on 1.03371. And to the other side of it, for the bullish scenario, I'm expecting a break here, a retest, and then we look for a buying opportunity. And for the bullish scenario, I'm expecting the market to break and retest 1.04935 for the bullish scenario, and I target my usual 1, 2, 3. On USD card, I think USD card last week was pretty well. So on USD card, we are actually on a consolidation phase as well. So we need to wait for some sort of break and retest, because the way we closed on Friday, this is how we close, and the market is consolidating. Now for the bullish and bearish scenario, I'm expecting the market to break here, pull back, and then rally to the upside. For the bullish scenario, I'm expecting USD card to break and retest 1.40178. And for the bearish scenario, I'm expecting USD card to break here, pull back, and then rally to the downside. So for the bearish scenario, I'm expecting USD card to break and retest 1.39574. That's my analysis on USD card for both bullish and bearish scenarios. On USD CHF actually is actually a good trade for me last week, but my I think my break even got hit. Because I think I entered more on 30 minutes time frame. So I sharply break even, and then I saw some sort of, because I actually entered, I put this level here, and this candle, this one wicked me out. I think I took a loss initially. Which was still cool, which was good. So right now on USD CHF for last week turns out to be somehow bullish. Might be a short term, might be a long term, we can't say. But for the bullish scenario, I'm expecting the market to break and retest 0.89569 for the bullish scenario. And for the bearish scenario, as you all know, we expect a break here, and retest, and then we target our 1 to 3. And for the bearish scenario, I'm expecting the market to break 0.88500. These are for both bullish and bearish scenario. And on gold, my analysis on gold worked pretty well, because I was expecting the market to break and retest here, but I didn't see that. So, and then I was expecting the market to just break here, pull back, but we didn't get that as well. But I'm not a gold fan actually. I don't really trade gold, but I analyze it for you guys, for you to know what gold might do. So for gold, for the bullish scenario, I'm expecting the market to break 2711.03. That's for the bullish scenario. And for the bearish scenario, I'm expecting the market to break and retest this level, and then rally to the downside, target our 1 to 3. I'm expecting a break and retest on gold on 2608.90 on gold for the bearish scenario. And one thing about this analysis is if you are the kind of person that holds trade, once you get an entry, you can just hold it throughout for the week till probably, if you get an entry on, let's say, Tuesday or Monday, you can actually hold it till Friday if you're willing, because most of the time I leave my trade to run through the week, and sometimes my initial target is 1 to 3, and if I see some sort of rejection candles, I try and back off. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's that about gold. So once you see a break and retest, pick out your trade. The worst case scenario is if we see the market ranging, and then we won't be doing anything. If you see the market bouncing off here, bouncing off here, bouncing off here, bouncing off here, same thing applies to all other pairs which I've analyzed for you guys. So that's that. Let's go to the SAD/USD, the last but not the least. So for this, I think if we are to continue bearish on this as well, you always know how this these things works. So a break here, I hope you see that, because I'm very much bearish on SAD. A break and then we short. So for the bearish scenario, I'm expecting SAD/USD to break and retest 0.58163. And for the bullish scenario, I'm expecting the markets to break here, pull back, and then target my usual 1 to 3, or leave it throughout the week, depending on when I get that entry. So for the bullish scenario, I'm expecting SAD/USD to break and retest 0.58587. So that's that about that. So this comes to an end, and thank you guys for always tuning in, and please do well to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this to your loved ones that really need to know what the market can possibly do the coming week. So alright guys, using this medium to wish you guys Merry Christmas in advance, because in few weeks time we'll be in December. So, and I want to say something for you guys. Please trade wisely and apply your proper risk management. Based on my analysis, I will never advise you to risk 2%, 3% of your account, because the key to a successful trading is risk management. And I myself, I don't risk more up to 1%. I risk 0.5%, and I anticipate for a 1 to 3 trade, sometimes 1 to 4, which actually give me a room for, because I know my risk appetite, and risking 0.5% will make you last in this game. Honestly, this is a real fact. So risk 0.5% on my analysis and watch how it plays out. Don't risk one. I see many people saying risk 2%. 1% is actually cool. 1% is really cool. But in order to last in the game, if you are trading a prop account, and then you are to you have a 10%, the overall drawdown is 10%, which means you literally be having 20 trades. You need to make a wrong 20 trade before you could blow the account. But imagine using a 1% account. 1% account is actually good as well. Then you have 10 trade. If you lose 10 trade, then the account is boom. But risking 0.5% will make you last in the game. This is one of the things you need to know about risk management. So guys, wishing you a peaceful week ahead, and have a blessed day, and do well. Never forget, do well to like and subscribe and support us at the Forex Trader 001. So it's really nice having you guys on here again, and we see each other next week, and we hope our analysis played out pretty well. And then if you have any other thing to say to our analysis, probably to add or to remove, or maybe you have something you want us to look into, maybe you have a certain pair you actually find it difficult to understand, you can actually reach out to us in the comment section, and we actually reach out to you as well. So thank you all for always tuning in. Appreciate. I still go by the name Dr. Faith. And thank you. Thank you.